All right, well, here we are, start of day 4. We are headed from St. Louis to Missouri State University, I believe, in Springfield, Missouri. Well, we just officially made it to Route 66. We're off the interstate. Got a line of cars in front of us. There's still a ton of cars on the interstate. The interstate's right next to us, so... Of course, at this point, there's no car. I have the camera going, but the last time I saw the interstate, there was like 20 cars, so... So after our last slowdown, which put us like in a 10-minute traffic jam for one street light, we got up to the interstate, and it seems that everybody decided they wanted to run the interstate instead. So we're going good 65 now on old 66. So yeah, we got this nice open road and everybody's on the interstate. We're just cruising 66. Just spotted in the parking lot over here. We got a Camaro that's out. Looks like we got another one on a U-Haul. So yeah, people always ask, what do you do if you break your car? Well, you got two options. You either fix your car, or you rent a U-Haul and a trailer and do the rest of the tour pulling your car behind you and worry about fixing it when you get home. So right here, this is what Power Tour is about when you get into the back roads of the USA. We have a 4.7 mile drive, and we're looking at a 28-minute to get there. This many cars on a 2-lane highway, back road highway that is, causes some traffic jams. I'm still having a blast, and I actually don't mind these trees that I'm getting every once in a while. It's like I have air conditioning for a brief moment in time, because it is a warm day today. So. Hit the Missouri US 66 outpost with the world famous Route 66 rocking chair. I think it was the largest, and now I think there's one that's bigger now, but we're gonna go tag it with the Power Tour sticker. stop sign has us backed up for quite a while. So I always tell people, if you're following me, you could be lost, because it does tend to happen that my GPS tricks me into a shorter shortcut that turns into a long cut on a really bad road. So we're headed back to the interstate. We're gonna kill a little time and just try and get a little bit further ahead, and then we'll get back on Route 66 in a little bit. But I just went down this road that definitely put some more scrapes in my muffler, so we're taking it easy out of here. Stopped at this place in Lebanon, Missouri. So this is one of the roadside attractions, Camp Joy. It looks like it's a tiny little room. Backwards driving truck. Well, we made it to Missouri State. We've got our credentials all punched, and we're actually going to head out because there's some thunderstorms coming, and we have another hour drive yet tonight to get to our hotel. For tonight's dinner, it was Iggy's Diner, and we hung out with this couple of dudes we met. Happened to pick this as the place to eat, and we sat with them and had an awesome dinner. Back to the hotel we go before this rain cloud actually comes in and gets us wet.